Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. I got all types of distractions going on. Um, this is a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. I was gonna stop the camera, but I'm not. Okay. So this box is a little beat up because it has been traveling from closet to closet and it's in the way. So I wanted to go ahead. This is not what I wanted to wear right now. So I probably will not pack it, but I'm going to unbox it so I can get this box out of my space. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Latasha. I I do makeup, which I don't have on any today. I just have on a basic linen outfit in the color flax, like flaxseed. It's very airy. I guess it's good for like May, springy, summery, depending on your environment. Right now I had like a little mild hot flash, so I have my fan going. So if you hear like a little wind, it's just my fan, and I apologize. And you actually can see the plastic on this blowing. I just put on a little lip gloss, a little lipstick, and I wanted to go ahead and get this unboxing done. It's almost 4 o'clock. I'm trying to leave the office today at 5 o'clock, and this came from Dooney and Bourke retail. I only have ordered a few retail pieces, and this is one of them. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm sure you probably have already fast forwarded. Okay, let's just use this a little bit more. I will give you a hint. It is a satchel because that's like one of my favorite style of purses, especially with me being as mature as I am. And I've had this purse since last year. Look at this. It is a Sorrento leather in cherry. Um, it's soft. It's smushy. I really, really wanted a Florentine, but by the time I started wanting the Florentine leather in this satchel, the prices skyrocketed. Can you guys see this? Let's pull back. You see, it's smushy. It is. It has two pockets, two in the front, no, one in the front, one in the back, and it has a slip and a zip here. It has two small pockets here. I'm assuming that's maybe for a cell phone, which no one's cell phone is that small anymore. But you probably can put some earbuds. For me, I wear Bose headphones, so I can stick them there. Um, it has something on here. It may have been a return, this purse. Um, I'm not going to complain because I should have opened it a long time ago. It looks like it just has a lot of white debris from being inside this box. And like I told you guys, I was slinging it around. So this is probably a retail return. And that's fine. That's fine. For the price that I paid for it, I've been doing like Dazzle, House of Dazzle. She has a purse diary. So I've been keeping track of how much I pay for purses. And last year would have been a great year. Prior to this year would have been a great year to build you a Dooney collection because the prices have gone up. There is brass plate on the front. Unlike the Florentine, I think Florentine is actually just a duck. What else is does this purse have? I'm gonna run and get my hen rolls. I think that's like a brown color. So this is a bright, it's, I thought it would have been a bright red, but it's actually like a ruby. Yeah, it's just been in that box for a long time. And it has, I don't know why they didn't wrap it back up. Oh, the inside is canvas. You've seen that. We have the tassels. Would I buy another Sorrento? No, no, this would be my first and last. I think if I have more of these in my collection, I just forgot I bought them. Um, but what I'm carrying now, because Dooney satchels are about the same style, just different leathers, right? This is more of a smooth leather, this Penrose, and I got it for so cheap, so cheap. Definitely, I think it was under, it was like $89, and I bought two. I bought this color brown and a beige color, which I have not opened yet. You guys will get a chance to see it. Again, same exact style. The difference is this have the Sorrento has pockets, and the buckle is a little bit bigger over here on the Sorrento. And let's see, the pocket is a full pocket on this side and a slip and a zip on this side, versus this one has this small pocket and then a little bit bigger pocket here. They both have canvas on the inside. It did come with the paperwork in the bottom of the box, that noise. So this is what I'm currently carrying. And I did get a hole punch for my, let's just go ahead and take all of this off. I can't send it back if I wanted to, because I've had it for, I know, over 6 months. And again, last year would have been a good time to really invest in your Dooney and Bourkes if you were in the market for purchasing purses. Uh, I like that the leather cover both sides, because some of their purses, it only, the color is only on one side. And this is like a triangle ring versus the D ring over here on the Penrose, so there is a difference there. The hooks are about the same. And my tote, this, I've been carrying this purse for like two, since I came out of the coach. I came in here. Now, when I go somewhere, like we went to see Michael Jackson, or we went to see Michael, I hope everyone has gone to see that movie. It's so good. I usually come out of my bigger purses and go into a small carry, like a shoulder bag. It depends on the outfit that I'm wearing. I will just grab my essentials like my wristlet, and this is actually, the wristlet that I'm carrying is in stone. This is a Coach wristlet. I have the Rowan to match it. I really like this leather. It's soft. I can't wait for the medium Rowan to come in the maple brown. I remember it was around last year. I should have got it when I got this one, when I got the stone Rowan. So it's in a chest in my closet, so I didn't feel like moving anything. I wanted to get this purse unpacked so I could get rid of the box. So that's what this is. I don't know if I'm gonna go in it or not, but I will stuff it, put it on my shelf, and I will also let you guys see the product number here. One moment. That's the tag on this purse. And it's ready. Nothing else to take out. It's real, a lot more movement. This purse is more stiff. It's stiff, it's smooth. This is more pebble. Um, and the sides are more malleable, hopefully over time. I'm gonna wipe it down to get some of that it's like a white residue from the box. That's what it is. And again, if I had paid full price for this purse or more of a retail price, I got it on retail side, but I didn't pay retail price for it, not compared to what it is today. So these purses come on their website quite often. I just checked my nail quite often, and right now, Dooney is feeling themselves. Like, wow. It was a few more I wanted to get before the prices went up. Yeah. Worst case scenario, I just put it on the resale market. But I don't have very many red purses. I wanted a red in this style satchel. Really wanted it in Florentine. Wasn't able to get it at a decent price. I will still keep looking. If for some reason I find the Florentine, I will just maybe sell this or gift it to one of my children. Now the difference between that zip is it has this flap versus here. This pin rolls don't have the little flap, but the benefit to this is that you get that full wide open versus the tightness here. So it's just really up to you how you like your bags. This comes full. You don't have to worry about this tight spot, and you can barely see how much space this little piece give. They did do the twist zip on this one as well. So just the fact that you can open it, I like it. Uh, well, that is it. Right now, I didn't do too much bedazzle on this purse. I just pulled my horseshoe from my, I forgot what purse it was. It was the purse that got stolen. That's the purse I came out of and got in here. So, and I'm loving this little deal I got from Etsy, but you can probably get a little bit more cheaper versions over there on Amazon. But this one did come from Etsy. I just had some rewards. I cashed them in. Same old stuff. I don't have an insert in this purse. I just have a bunch of pouches I threw in here my keys, my glass, my sunglasses. Here's a little Dooney and Bourke sunglass case from a vintage Dooney that I have. It should be about 20 years old now. And I will show it to you. Back in the day, Dooney used to give you key fobs, sunglass holders, wristlets, like in kits. And I think I got it from like QVC. It's got some dust on it. It need to be clean. But yes, this actually is holding my prescription sunglasses. Um, this holding my headphones. I have two types of headphones: the ones that plug, the ones that are wireless. Because when I go in the store, sometimes I just want to listen to a lot of my content, a lot of teachings and stuff like that. I have my tissue. This is hand sanitizer and two wipes. I try to have some wipes just in case I'm in public and I have to go to the bathroom and do more than number one. I need to be able to clean that toilet off. So I got them. Um, and just in case I need something to wipe my hands with, business cards, bobby pins, rubber bands, med kit, band-aids, plackers, and pain relievers, med kit, and my Ricolas. I have I have cream, Fenty cream lip gloss, and I have sensitive skin, shea butter hand cream from Bath and Body Works. And I just have my pouch that has everything in it, and that is it. And my little lucky keychain, my feng shui um, charm. The reason why I didn't hang it outside of my purse is because it just kind of make a lot of noise. So I stick it in there, and that is it. All the paperwork for the purse I keep on the side, and that is someone calling the office. So I'm going to wrap this up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.